The blizzard of 2026, well underway. I hope you're blessed by the snow. Matthew 5:45 says, He makes the sun rise on the evil and the good, and He sendeth rain on the just and the unjust alike. It's something I like to think about with that verse. The rain is actually the blessing. Pick that up. The rain is actually the blessing. This is written in arid climates where rain is needed for desert farming. So all those times in your life that you felt like it was raining on you and you thought that it was a bad thing, that was for your growth. That was for your growth in the Lord. So, with the snow season 2026, I hope you're blessed by it. And God bless you all.